Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a backup before you change anything. First, create a system restore point and export the registry key you intend to edit. This makes recovery simple. Once done, press Windows plus R or Open Start and type regedit. When user account control prompts, approve it. This gives regedit the permissions it needs. Make sure you understand which Hive you need, because navigating to the wrong key can affect system behavior. Once regedit is open, expand the left pane to reach HKey local machine or HKey current user depending on system versus user changes. You can right-click any key to export it, always export before editing, and then choose Modify for values. If the path is long, press Ctrl plus F and paste the key name to locate it quickly. Make incremental changes, press OK, and note why you changed that value, so you can reverse it later if needed. To finalize edits, close regedit and restart the app or Windows so the change takes effect. If something goes wrong, immediately import the reg file you exported or roll back using the system restore point. That restores settings quickly. If you cannot save edits, make sure you ran regedit as an administrator and verify key permissions by right-clicking permissions. Finally, if a value prevents booting, use safe mode or recovery to import the backup. That recovers the system safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.